I want to tell you that you're not alone in this world if you're using too much Kratom. Help is closer than you think. This substance is easily accessible in what we call Kratom and Kava Cafe bars. At the Lado Healing Institute, we make Kratom Detox easy and convenient. Dr. Lado has over 20 years of experience, and he's perfected a comprehensive outpatient treatment. No hospitalization needed. Our protocol includes intravenous nutritional replacement, psychotherapy, and a supportive staff ready to assist you. Imagine detoxing without missing work or family time. We get it, life can't just stop. Withdrawal symptoms can be challenging. Nausea, anxiety, insomnia. But with Dr. Lado's expert care, you'll navigate these obstacles smoothly. Why wait any longer? Reclaim your life and health today. Make an appointment at the Lado Healing Institute, and let's get started. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. Help is just an appointment away.